Hello students and welcome to the final part of our donut game lectures. Okay, so in this mini video lecture we're going to set up a high score for our game. So setting up a high score is a pretty easy thing to do actually, but this is a really cool feature. So first of all, what shall we do? We should make a variable that's called high score, of course. So we need to store this value somewhere. So this high score, we have it here. And what should we do? Well, first of all, we need our high score to appear only in some particular occasions. Okay, so when the backdrop switches to blue sky 2, we're going to hide our high score because we don't need it there. And when we're going to have the light backdrop, we're going to show our high score. So this is nothing special at all. Let us check this out. Yeah, now we have no high score. Now let me just lose fast. Okay, so here we have our high score. What shall we do next? Well, as you already know, we have two scripts. This script that is launched on a flag means when we start our game for the first time. So when we start our game for the first time, we need to compare our score. And if when we lose, our score is more than our current high score, we're going to set the high score value to the current score because current score is higher than our previous high score. Okay, so this is actually very easy thing to do. So we just need to compare two things here. Let me just move the sprite a little bit. If our score is bigger than high score, if our score is bigger than our high score, then what should we do? Then we need to set the high score value to score. This is all it takes. Okay, so now let us duplicate this and put it here because we can start our game in two ways. So we can press the flag or we can press the button. So again, it's a kind of preventive measure. So let me just check this out. So my score is 1 right now. So my high score is also 1. Now let me beat my high score. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's already beaten. 7, 8. Now let me lose it fast. Okay, so now my high score is 11. And now what if I get less than my high score, for example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is it. That's enough. Okay, let me check this. My high score is still 11. So this is a really easy, but yet it's a really cool feature that you can add to your games. Please do not forget to save your project. Our project is going to be called Donut Game. And let me just save it fast to my computer. So I'm going to save it here. And this is it for our Donut Game project. See you in the next video lecture.